The Unger Stingray, the ultimate indoor cleaning tool. The Unger Stingray is perfect for everyday use, high-access cleaning, public areas, and hard-to-reach areas. The Stingray is quicker and more efficient for everyday use. It cleans 25% faster and uses 39% less chemicals than spray and cloth cleaning. The ergonomic design of the handle and extension poles makes it easier to hold while cleaning. The Stingray makes high-access cleaning simple. Choose your pole length by connecting the modular pieces. You can reach up to 18 feet without the use of a ladder and clean drip-free over work areas. With the enclosed spray nozzle, the window cleaner is applied directly to the glass surface, reducing the chance of inhaling airborne chemicals. Applying the cleaning solution is as simple as the push of a button. Just pull the trigger on the handle or press a button on any pole to apply cleaning solution as needed. The cleaning pad holder of the Stingray rotates 360 degrees, allowing it to fit into hard-to-reach areas. The 1-inch pad saves time by cleaning window frames while you work. The Unger Stingray uses 3M Scotchgard Protector Cleaner, which results in less dirt buildup and longer-lasting clean. Simply lock in the 3M package to the nozzle located in the Stingray handle and reattach the cover. All cleaning pads are easy to remove and replace and can be machine washed up to 200 times. The Unger Stingray, the ultimate indoor cleaning tool.